Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox Saramonic BTW wireless clip-on microphone. It is a retail Australian unit and it retails at 99 Australian dollars and it comes with a 2-year warranty. As you can see, there are some information shown on the box. It is compact and portable and the range is up to 80 meters, and it's also compatible with iOS, Android and laptops with Bluetooth. Okay, let's quickly unpack. Okay, inside there is a QR code, so when we scan and you can download an app called Smart Recorder. I will show you the app user interface later this video. Let's see what's inside. It has a user manual and here is the Saramonic BTW clip-on microphone. The build quality is nice and it's even lightweight. It has a small magnetic clip which you can just clip onto your shirt. It even has a 3.5 mm audio jack and a omnidirectional microphone. It has only one single button to on and off, and that's it, nothing else. Let's check what's inside this box. It comes with a travel pouch. The pouch looks very good. It has a decent quality pouch and it even has a quality certificate from Saramonic. Let's see what's inside the pouch. That's it. There is a windshield. The windshield is of very good quality and a Type-C USB cable and a clip holder for the microphone. You just need to clip on to that adapter and then you can use it as a clip. So it has like a two mounts, two safety functions, and here is a USB-C charging port. The windshield needs to be installed right here in those two holes. Once you're done installing, you can use it in a high wind conditions as well. You can use the microphone with or without the windshield. So currently the entire video is being recorded using the Saramonic BTW wireless microphone. You can analyze the audio recording quality, and once you turn on, it blinks. That means it's in pairing mode and you can connect to your phone, laptop, iPad, any other electronic device which supports Bluetooth. Now let me take you to the Smart Recorder app. This is how the app user interface looks like. Here the audio section, you can adjust the sample rate, low cut effect and reduce the noise level and vocal enhancement, and also even change the voice format from MP3, WAV, etc. If you like the video, please do subscribe and thanks for watching.